Good day, Cannapolitans. Today we have for your viewing pleasure the Waffleye Waffle Iron. Say that 10 times fast. This thing is da bomb. Check it out. So I just plugged it in. It's only been on for about a minute. See, that is the most awesome design ever for a waffle maker. If you agree, I'm sure you will. So I'm going to go ahead and close it just so that we can get it up to operating temperature. Once you plug it in, it'll start off with a red light, and then once we get to operating temperature, it'll turn green. Bam! Like Hollywood. Alright, so this particular waffle recipe, it also asks for butter. I'm going to use some coconut oil that's been medicated, so we're going to get nasty with this waffle. Alright, so we're going to pour that in, stir it up. Alright, and here we go. Some batters are thicker than others. This particular batter, hopefully I didn't overfill it. Doesn't look like I did. There we go. Okay, I think we're good there. We'll go ahead and shut that down. It oozes over the sides, it oozes over the sides, right? Okay, that's telling you that it's doing its thing. In the meantime, how are you? Good. Has everybody got their bowls loaded? Their joints rolled? It's 4:20 Pacific Standard Time. Cheers. Today we're going the non-smoking route with the waffle. Medicated. With the soothing sounds of my aquarium behind you. Now, the steam, you'll notice, coming from the unit, it's cooking. And what I've noticed when I've gauged my waffles is once the steam is stopped steaming, that's generally when your waffle is done. It's really easy to clean. The design does not affect how well easy it is to clean. It does come clean very easily with a paper towel and some soap. Unplug it, let it cool down, obviously, to a tolerable temperature, obviously. And I wish I had some Jeopardy music. We play that too, but it doesn't take that long. Really, it doesn't. It's feels long because I'm filming. Smell that pumpkin spice goodness. In the meantime, have you been to CannapolitanMagazine.com? If you haven't, you should. There's a lot of great product reviews on there, a lot of festival reviews, a lot of did you know cannabis kind of things, how-tos, all kinds of things. You must check out CannapolitanMagazine.com and tell a friend, as they say. Okay, so steam is still coming out. Let me take a peek because I'm... Ooh, look at that! Bam! Okay, so feels pretty good. Let's go ahead and get a plate. I feel like we could have done a little more on the edges, but I think we're still good. So, plop this. Look at this, how easy this cut out. Bam! Easy. Boom. On the plate. And look how beautiful that is. It comes out really nice and clean. The design is perfect. Both sides. So there you have it, kids. The Waffleye Waffle Iron. Best dang waffle invention of the 21st century. You can get yours at waffleye.com. Go to our website. We have a discount coupon code. and save some money at the same time. Oh, it's ready for another one. Have a great day, everybody.